So this guy Kush had like bada bada fuck boy written on his forehead. These people were having like men locker rooms conversation. यहाँ तुम सुबह सुबह फिंस बीच क्लब में आओगे तो यहाँ 6 गोरियों को तुम किस कर सकते हो. No, we need to like go back to the club. I have forgotten my purse. I'm not somebody who witnessed it, or if I did witness it, I do not remember it. Hello, this is Anaya and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're coming from Instagram, this is technically the 8th episode of Bali after breakup. But if you're new here, you can still watch the entire video because it has no context to the previous vlogs. Anyway, I hate intros, so let's just straight away get into it. So I recently broke up and I'm coming out of a 4-year relationship. After the breakup, I have been very sad, very devastated, very lost. So I just like wanted to take a trip to like distract myself, have some fun. That's when I decided to take a solo trip to Bali. And coincidentally, my friend at the same time, he had also broken. And he was also taking a solo trip. So that's when we decided let's just like take the trip together. So I have made like the entire series of like 7 episodes of what all kind of adventures we had. This today's story is about the last day, and I could not cover it in like mini vlogs because there is so much to tell. So this was the last day we were in Bali and we were headed to Finn's Beach Club. I was looking like a complete goddess and I went downstairs with Sanchit and we were as usual late. तो पहली cab already भर चुकी थी. So we sat down on the next cab and इस cab में there were people who we had not interacted with much and with good reason. So this guy Kush had like bada bada fuck boy written on his forehead. It seemed very clear what he was there for in the trip. And I don't judge because I'm not hanging out at 2 a.m. with men for their wisdom. But anyway, these people were having like men locker rooms conversation and it seemed very vulgar and crass. He was saying something along the lines of कि यहाँ तुम सुबह सुबह फिंस बीच क्लब में आओगे तो यहाँ 6 गोरियों को तुम किस कर सकते हो. 6 गोरियां आती हैं and वो बिकनी में जाती हैं पानी में. They were objectifying women, they were being very vulgar, and this guy was hanging out with this girl Shreya from the trip and they were giving very couple vibes, cute. And I like immediately told Kush कि मैंने सब record कर लिया है, मैंने नहीं करा था. And I like show it to Shreya. And he got really triggered. He was like, तेरा मुंह तो हम Saksham से बंद करा देंगे. Now Saksham is the guy from the first day of the trip. If you watch the Bali vlogs, he was the guy I was hanging out in the trip. So they were like, तेरा मुंह तो हम Saksham से बंद करा देंगे. तेरे को हम रूम में लेके जाएंगे and तेरा मुंह हम Saksham से बंद करा देंगे. Now I might be naive and stupid, but this seems like a threat. Now, I didn't want any trouble. I didn't want to cause any drama. We were there for the last day. I just like really, really wanted to have fun in the trip. But at the same time, I was concerned about my safety because we were anyway going to be drinking at the club. And I was also like that I need to tell Shreya because if I was hanging out with a guy like Kush, I would want to know. Like, I don't care if it's like casual, I don't care if it's serious, I don't know if you're just friends. You should know what kind of guy you're hanging out with. So, as soon as we, got off from the cab, I couldn't get a hold of Shreya, but I told her friend so that she could like tell Shreya. Now my job was done here. So Sanchit and I decided that we'll get tipsy drunk. But as usual, things started to get more blurry than it should have. Now, Finn's Beach Club में बहुत breakup songs चल रहे थे. Like DJ को पता था मेरा अभी breakup हुआ है, and I was full on vibing too. There was a foreigner who came to me and she said that, "Oh, you're so beautiful. Are you like dating anybody?" And I was like, "No, I've like recently broken up." And she was like, "Who was stupid enough to like break up with you? I will find you a husband." And I was just like vibing with everybody and I was in a really, really good mood. And things seemed quite normal. But the next thing I know, I'm in the hotel and Sanchit is coming to me crying, saying, "Kush attacked me." Now I have no idea how we have gotten back from the club to the hotel. So I was a handful that night, and I was telling Rituja that I have left my purse in the club that had 10 lakh IDR in it, credit cards, my favorite lipstick, and of course, my iPhone. So I was like full on freaking out that no, 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 we need to like go back to the club. I have forgotten my purse. We really, really need to find it. And Rutuja, meanwhile, is trying to tell me something, but I'm zoned out and I'm just panicking about my own stuff. And इतने में संचित आता है crying saying कुश attacked me. And मैं संचित को थोड़ा calm down करती हूँ. I take him to his room and मैं उसको वहाँ पे like I tell him to go to sleep and he sleeps eventually. And मैं 5 फुट 3 इंच की लड़की, मैंने आज तक एक कॉकरोच भी नहीं मारा है जिंदगी में. I'm like, I will kill Kush. ठीक है. I step out and I'm like full on finding him कि मैं तो इसकी गांड मार दूंगी. And there are like some other people in the group. They are like कि होटल मैनेजर ने पुलिस बुला ली है, so तुम रूम में चले जाओ. If like in any chance somebody get arrested, there is no way to like get them back, or it is going to be like a whole thing that we don't want to create because we literally have to go back home to India next day. So I go and I eventually go back to sleep and I found my phone. Rutuja has found it in like Sanchit's bag. So I'm a little calm. Chalo ki phone to mil gaya, but my purse is still missing. तो मैं सुबह के 5 बजे उठती हूँ and I wake up Sanchit and I tell him to like go with me to the Fence Beach Club so that I can find the purse. And I also ask him कि what really went down last night. And इसको ये तक याद नहीं है कि ये 3 लोगों से पिट के आया है रात में. So anyway, we go to the Fence Beach Club and they are not at all accommodating, nothing like the people in Savaya. Um, and they are like literally ready to kick us out. They are like सुबह सुबह 11 बजे आना. And we literally have to leave at 10 a.m. to airport because we have our flights. So we still request them, but they do nothing for us. And they're like सुबह सुबह आना for lost and found. But again, we have to go back to home in India. So disappointed होके हम वापस आ जाते हैं. I'm still trying to find my purse. There's like a guy who has like collected everything from the club last night in a polythene. So I find that polythene, but उसमें भी मेरा purse नहीं है. Now we still do not know what has went down last night. So we go to our only source, Rutuja. So Rutuja tells us that this is the timeline of the events. So Sanchit and I, we were in the club. There was another girl in the group who apparently got groped at Finn's Beach Club. And she handled it very savagely. She held the neck of this guy. And she was like quite brave to like handle that. But Sanchit apparently started laughing at it. And I'm so sure with his self-awareness, he did not even know कि क्या चल रहा है. Like he was so drunk, he was so blackout drunk कि I'm so sure वो अपने में ही हंस रहा होगा. Right? So I do not defend people who are doing anything bad. I'm a girl's girl. I will repeat it till I die that I'm a girl's girl. But I just feel like that I don't think he was laughing at her. But anyway, these people thought that he was being, insensitive. Now, Kush was saying something about me and Sanchit showed him like a middle finger and इनकी club में कुछ कहा सुनी हो गई and they started fighting. And apparently Shreya बीच में आ जाती है and Sanchit pushes her. Now I don't know, I am not somebody who witnessed it, or if I did witness it, I do not remember it. So I do not know who is on the right here, but I do know what they did, later on. They started like beating Sanchit up, which is not okay. Even if you do think that he did something wrong, this is no way. And Rutuja told me that they were literally like, in so much of anger that ये तो ऐसे थे कि बहन चो जान ही ले लेंगे. So that was just not okay. And even though I'm not here to defend my friend, I know this guy from the last 20 years. And puri trip mein, he was the most decent guy. So it was more like because of the thing that happened in the cab, they were trying to like, you know, take away the blame from them and put Sanchit in a negative light because they didn't want to take the accountability of their own actions. And I had already like told Shreya's friend. So, they wanted to maybe prove that no, we are not the bad ones. There are other people who are the bad ones. We are the ones defending you from that bad people. Anyway, so I did not find my purse. So I blocked my cards. I mean, I lost the money. I was very, very sad coming back from the trip. I had a lot of bruises in my legs. That just means I had a lot of fun. And मैं बहुत जगह ठुकी हूँ. Sanchit later on got hospitalized और पियो दारू. उसका liver खराब था. That's why he got hospitalized. But overall, this trip served the purpose of why I went to Bali, and it was a lot of fun. I will be posting constantly from now on, so subscribe to my channel. I've recently shifted to a new place, so I would be giving you the apartment tour while yapping about my life. So stay tuned. See you soon. Bye.